Introducing the all-new 2023 Peugeot 408 Allure 1.2 130 automatic in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with top-of-the-line features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and multiple airbags for your safety. With luxury trim and ambient lighting, you'll enjoy every drive in style. The security features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking give you peace of mind on the road. Plus, the stop and start system saves on fuel while the energy recuperation maximizes efficiency. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible car. Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information today.